I got to go around the school this week and talk with the principal, teachers, students, and parents, and all of them sharing with me what a tight-knit school community they have. They also praise a lot of the dynamic programs and clubs that the school offers. Now, the school is also home to some winning artists, I should say. Taki Mendoza entered this painting into the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo, and he won the Reserve Class Champion Award. I got to talk to him about his award-winning painting, that is. Talk to me about this painting here. I understand that you are the winner in your age category for the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo, right?
Yes.
So talk to me about that. What's this painting, this winning painting here?
So every year I've done me and my dog, and it takes place at George Ranch, or one of the sites at George Ranch. Mm-hmm. And I did me playing the violin because, the name of the painting is "I'll Be On a Minuet," which is a song you would play on the violin. And I was kind of relating minuet to minute, like I'll be on a minute to the dog.
Oh, I love that. And you play the violin, actually?
Yes.
How long have you played?
I've been playing it since kindergarten, so that's about 5 to 6 years.
Wow. Okay, how long have you been painting?
Like very young.
Very young?
Yeah.
Is it something you've always liked to do?
Yeah.
What do you like most about it?
Just like I can just be creative about everything, and there's no limits.